Your customers are relying on you to keep their vehicle running smoothly. To do this, your workshop needs to be running smoothly too. A key factor in improving workshop efficiency is better systems integration. That's why Infomedia has developed advanced DMS integration between Superservice Triage MPI and your Dealertrack DMS. Advanced DMS integration offers your teams 3 key benefits. Firstly, it saves time. In fact, each advisor using the integration is saving up to 15 minutes per RO, and these efficiency gains quickly add up. Second, it increases accuracy. Automatically syncing information between systems reduces the opportunity for errors when manually rekeying data. And finally, it improves the customer experience. Your customers don't want to be hanging around, and advanced DMS integration makes sure that no one is left waiting whilst your teams need to transfer data. So, how does it work? Once the MPI has been approved, simply hit the transfer button to sync all the required data fields. If you're ready to get started, simply head over to infomedia.com.au/dealertrack integration or contact us as below.